say this is interactive session. Huh? The topic. I don't want to be in the picture. Chal.
Good morning, friends.
Louder.
Good morning, friends. This is an interactive skill between me, Nitin, and Samit. Today we are discussing about what are the different reasons for divorce. So we will go through each point and we will discuss each point one by one. And I will hand over the mic to Samit.
Thank you, Nitin. Good morning, everyone. This is the last step for worse marriage cases. We should go for divorce. Sorry, there is no other option. We are going to discuss about few main points. What is the main reason behind this divorce? The first point is lack of commitment. I will hand over this mic to Nitin to discuss about lack of commitment.
Commitment. One of the main reasons behind the divorce is commitment. We have to be very committed to our partner in life, throughout life, not only to our partner, all of them, but if you are giving some promise, then we should not break up that promise. That's one main important. This commitment may lead into one of the main reason for divorce. And the next point is too much of arguing.
Too much of arguing. While discussing something, we should understand the partner's point of view as well. If you are going to argue and you are standing on your side, you will not be able to finish the matter. That is the main. If you are keeping on arguing small thing, it will go higher and it will affect the person, your opposite side. If you are husband or your wife, they are coming from office, they have thousands of problems. You should be able to understand what are their problems, and you should understand their side, and then you should not argue, you should discuss and reach the problems. And the next point is infidelity.
Infidelity, stress. We need to be very honest to our person, and the main reason behind infidelity is having extramarital affairs, and maybe one partner have extramarital affair, and the other person feeling that they are aggravated, devastated, and this will lead to divorce. And the next point is marrying to him.
Yeah. Marriage is we are going to share our life with someone else. So if you marry in early ages, you will not be able to accept the person in your life. If you are going to take a decision in your life, you should understand the other person, if he will be able to cooperate with you on that matter. Or if you are very simple, you are a bachelor, you can go for movie any days. But if you are going for a movie after marriage, you should think about your partner as well. If you are marrying too young, you should, if you are not able to understand the person, means if you are not matured enough to understand your person, you should not marry. Please wait till you will be able to understand and you can give a space in your life for another person. The next point is unrealistic expectations.
Unrealistic expectation. This happens in not in love marriage. This happen mainly in love marriage, but arranged marriage also it can happen. And it's like when we saw some films and all, we will think the life is like that. So we are expecting something more from our partner, some like movie kind of romance and all. But in practical life, it won't happen. So this will become one problem, and they started quarreling, and this will become one reason of divorce. And the next point is lack of equality.
Lack of equality means we know in villages what happening. If you are coming from a village, we know wife, she should be there in their home and she should take care of our children. But if the girl have their own dreams, and if you are not giving priority to their dreams, they will fed up with you and they will think of divorce as well. So everyone have their own thoughts, and you should understand your partner's dreams and everything. So the next point is lack of preparation.
Lack of preparation. This happens when we are not ready to accept one more person to our life. Till we bachelors we can do whatever we want, and we can have to look up into our own life only. Because when other person coming into our life, we need to take care of them, and we need to be very honesty towards that partner. And sometimes we are not prepared for marriage because of some family reasons or some other reasons. We are forced to marry. At that time, we can't adjust with the partner, whatever the needs of the partner. In this case, this divorce happens. And the next point is abuse.
Yeah. Abuse is our last point, but it is not the least. If you think about divorce, the first point is abuse. That it may be related to dowry, it may be related to extramarital affair, whatever it is. You are teasing your partner in some other way. It is not only in case of wife, now it is happening for husband as well. And these are the main points. There are 8 points we have discussed with you people regarding divorce. We would like to revise those bullet points. The first point is lack of commitment,
Too much of arguing,
infidelity,
marrying too young,
unrealistic expectations,
lack of equality,
lack of preparation.
and abuse.
Thank you all for this session.